A very good morning to all my dear students. So as you all know, we have already started the chapter congruence of triangles. Okay, so in this chapter in the online class I have already explained you what are the different criterias of congruency: side side side, okay, angle side angle, side angle side, and right hypotenuse side. Four criterias we have done. Now we are going to study exercise 7.2. Now in exercise 7.2, the first question is you have to write the congruence criteria you will use in the following. So the first one, you can see the diagrams over here. ABC, this triangle is given, and DEF, this triangle is given, and AC, you can see I have marked it. AC is equal to DF. So three lines on this AC and 3 lines on this DF. So these two sides are equal. AB is equal to DE. Okay, so these same signs represent that these two sides are equal. BC is equal to EF. So this way you can see. Now, so a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. By which criteria? So this you have to think and you have to tell. So here it will be side, side, and side. Okay, so this is the criteria used because all the three sides are equal. Similarly, in the second one, ZX, okay, in this triangle ZX is equal to RP, then RQ is equal to ZY. These two sides are equal, and angle PRQ, the included angle is equal to the included angle XZY. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? Side, angle, side. Okay, so this way you have to write the criteria for the other remaining two also. So this is your homework. You have to first mark these things in the diagrams, and then you have to observe that out of 4 criteria, which criteria is applicable over here. Okay, so these two are your homeworks. Then question number 2, we will see you want to show. Okay, so just see the figures. Okay, I'll just read the question for you. You can observe the figures. So you want to show that triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. These two triangles are congruent. If you have to use side, side, side criteria, then you need to show that side, side, side criteria means all the 3 sides of this triangle will be equal to all the 3 sides of this triangle. But as I told you that the order should be same. Now just observe here AR. तो AR के corresponding कौन सी side है? PE. So AR will be equal to PE. So you will write over here AR is equal to PE. Similarly, RT, when you will observe in the diagram, RT is equal to EN. Okay, so RT is equal to EN. So you will write here EN. Then AT will be equal to PN. So you will write here PN. So basically only from this statement only you can just tell the correspondence of the sides and angles. Okay, next one I'll do, and last one will be your homework. It is given that angle T, so first of all you just write it, angle T is equal to angle N. You are to use side angle side criteria. Side angle side means दो sides और उनके बीच का angle. By this criteria you need to have RT. Where is RT? This one RT. So RT will be congruent to EN. Okay, so it will be EN. And PN, this PN, okay, one side we have already proved equal. Now PN will be congruent to AT. Okay, so by these two criteria and this angle, by side angle side, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, I hope you all have understood. So in the similar way you have to do the C part also. Okay, so first 2 questions we have done. Now we'll see the third question. Now you can see in the third question you have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. ये दोनों triangles आपको congruent prove करने हैं. In the following proof, supply the missing reasons. What are the reasons that you have to write? Okay, and these signs represent that these two angles are equal, these two sides are equal. So first of all, PM is equal to QN. M. So PM is equal to QM. This is already given in the question. So the reason for this will be given. Okay. Then it is given angle PMA is equal to angle QMA. PMA is equal to QMA. And the reason for this will also be given. Okay, because this is given in the question. Then AM is equal to AM. And AM is equal to AM means this is common, because this is the common side for both the triangles. Okay, so therefore triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. And what is the criteria? Side, angle, side. So SAS. So by this criteria these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so this way we have done. And the last question we'll do now. In triangle ABC, angle B is 40, angle C is 110. In triangle PQR, angle P is 30 degree, angle Q is 40 degree, and angle R is 110 degree. Okay, so basically all the three angles of one triangle are equal to all the three angles of second triangle. So a student says that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by angle criteria. So is he justified? Why or why not? So obviously no, because angle criteria to hota hi nahi hai. We don't have such criteria. And what is the reason behind this? The reason behind this is that if all the three angles of two triangles are equal, it means that one is the enlarged copy of the other one. It does not implies that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so you have to write the reason in your own words. So you have to complete till question number 4. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.